Hi everyone. So I'm Ayushi Verma and I'm here with my husband Ravi Verma and with our baby girl. So we are blessed with a baby girl on 1st of February 2025 and we are super happy and super glad by having her. We really had talking about how we came here to this day when we have our baby. So we started our journey with Gunjan IVF because we get to know from some of our friends this is where we need to go. So we came here by some friend references, and when we came here, so it was the date was I still remember the date. It was 9 July 2022. That was our first visit to Gunjan ma'am and all the other doctors. And that day only we realized कि this is where we have to be for our baby. I mean, the very first day, the way she talked to us, Gunjan ma'am especially, we still remember each and everything, and it was super, 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 I would say, full of gratitude. And at that time, we felt like कि बस we have to come here only, and we will definitely have our blessing. And what we are looking for, it will be here with Gunjan ma'am only. In July, we got started with some treatments and all basic things, and then finally, I think next month only I got conceived successfully. That was my first pregnancy. I was super happy, and we got to know then maybe in September or something. Yeah, in September we got to know that we had twins with the first attempt by Gunjan ma'am. We were super glad, but unfortunately it became a roller coaster ride because I started with some medical issues due to twins. There were some complications, and unfortunately we have lost them in the 5th month of my pregnancy. That time we were just like super disheartened. There was a lot of discomfort, sadness everywhere, but at that time also it was just Gunjan ma'am. She did my all of that, DNC and everything. She was there during that tough time. The way she handled that situation, I still remember that time as well. She was super calm, super patient, and each and every time she was just saying, Ayushi, hoga. Abhi nahi to next time. It will be there. You will get your blessing. Don't worry. So then, we take some break because of this, and then we again come back. Hope ki, we have to be here and we need the baby. So we need to again, after some time, after taking a break, because it was tough situation, tough time, and we have to be, morally, emotionally, mentally prepared for this. We again resume our treatment back. I got the news last year that yes, I'm pregnant again. And this time it was all happy situation from the day one. There was no medical issues. I think because she has to come to the world, so everything was super perfect. And every time, like whenever we have to, our visit is there with Dr. Ma'am. So everyone, each and every staff over here, because since I am here since 2022, so it's like everybody in the staff of Gunjan IVF World, they know me, they know my husband. So the way they used to treat us, it's like a family to us, other family. So we didn't have this feeling, oh, we are going to a doctor or we are visiting a place. We always felt like, oh, we are just going to another family, and it's like a family place, and everybody used to treat us the way, the best possible way they can. So then finally, after this 9th month of journey, we have our baby girl with us, and fortunately, or I don't know what to say, but today it's our 6th anniversary. So today we have completed 6 years of togetherness, and this year is super special because we have our baby girl and we are here. I mean, because another reason is somebody was saying कि आज के दिन क्यों you are going to a doctor, No, we are not going to a doctor. We are going where we got our baby girl. So it's like we get our gift from here. This is the happiness which we have received from here. So nothing could be best day to visit Gunjan ma'am and see, give her that gratitude, and just to have a picture with her that, oh, thank you ma'am. You have given us the happiness of our lives. So thank you, Gunjan ma'am.